for the drawer things. And did
Oh,
you
which
say there were
drawer
2
did you want?
shelves?
We had 2
Oh,
extras
you
in
had
the
2?
truck, we put
Oh,
them
okay.
down.
Great.
So we made them work.
Well, I guess this one.
Alright, let me do some measurements. You have your tape when you come?
Mm-hmm.
Get some measurements of this drawer here. Alright, 13 3/8. And how many dividers you looking at? Just knives, forks, spoons, soup spoons. Just 4 dividers, and we'll do one right here. And a lower K in the back.
Okay.
So you have that knife. There you go. Then we'll do that. And just drop a tray in, like I said, you take it out, clean it, and drop it back.
Alright.
No problem at all. Alright, that's the only one you need, right? You need one for over here or anything, or anywhere else?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Well, I guess I could maybe just do for long things.
Okay.
Like do 1 divider maybe?
Just want a single?
Yeah, would you?
Do you?
Yeah. But that's not a very wide drawer. And then I could put